Hello everyone, my name is Ling Minghua. This year I'm 12 years old. For today's video, we're going to be talking about productivity. So, if you were ever working out as a manager or like working as maybe a boss, yeah, I think a boss is the correct word. You guys will probably work at places like cooking places or like factories and things like that. And whenever you guys are working, you guys need to think about the productivity. So productivity is what is a like type of set of numbers that is used to demonstrate the productivity or the amount of work that a worker or an individual work at a company or at a workplace. So basically how to calculate the productivity is through output divided by input. So what is output? Output is the total solution. It's like the total what is that? It's like the total amount of products that are being produced, and input is the amount of workers there. So basically, let's say your factory has 20 workers, okay, a small branch of the factory, and every day the company was able to make 240 shirts. Okay, so a sewing factory. So how much would you guys how much is the productivity? So you put 240 over 20 and it's equal to 240 divided by 2 is equal to 12 shirts per one employee. So that is the total productivity of the company and of each person. And so if we're talking about the productivity of the whole company, then we just took 240 over 20. So what if we want to change our productivity? What if we want to be more productivity? We would either increase the output or decrease the input. For example, we have the same factory, the same 22 people, but works for about 300 shirts every day. And so the productivity will be 15 shirts per employee. And that is way much more, right? Or we could decrease the input. Like maybe the company still make 200, let's say the company makes 200 shirts, that there's only 10 workers. So every workers work every day for 20 shirts. So that's a lot more, right? So by calculating productivity, you guys could be able to understand, okay, how does your company is working and what are the results? Thank you so much for listening and goodbye.